So student, don't worry, I have started the recording of the class. So if you disconnected and can't join for network problem, don't worry, you will get the recorded video. Okay. Only 16 participants have joined. Wait for 5 minutes more. Then we start the class. Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone. Now I'm going to share my screen. Hope you will be able to see that. Acha. Can you see a worksheet? Yes, this is not from your book. Extra worksheet it is. You just have to do in your copy. You have to do this in your copy. You can write only answer. You can write only answer. Alvira, place your device properly. Place your device properly. Just give the number 1, 2, 3 and do this. Alvira, rotate your screen. Rotate your screen. Okay. Give number 1, 2, 3. This page is not from your book because you know you are habituated to do this type of worksheet. The chapter is on the chapter healthy food. You learn everything. So solve this paper. I have made this worksheet keeping in mind the chapter healthy food, our food, so that you can do this. Rishi requesting remote control of your screen. What is this? No need to copy the question, just write the answer. Alvida, yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
we can write the question or write only answer.
Write only answer.
And ma'am, this is the worksheet you can send in the assignment section.
No, you don't have to send anywhere. It will be checked only in the class.
Okay, ma'am. Right.
Okay, too fast. It will check in the class.
Okay.
And student, if you have completed, no need to raise your hand. Recheck your copy and wait. Just write only answer.
Ma'am, question number C is wrong. It will be bodybuilding food. You
No,
give
this-
energy and
No, this is not wrong. Let me tell you, as this worksheet is not from the book, and I know that you are thinking that bodybuilding food makes our bones and muscles strong. So there should be bodybuilding food option. But I know in this worksheet it is written energy giving and protective food. So in this case, you can choose energy giving food because energy giving food also make us healthy and also it makes our bones and muscles strong. It has multi-purpose. It is okay. So you can also choose energy giving food. For question number C.
I already write it.
Okay, because protective food protect us from different type of disease and also it make us healthy. But energy giving food also make our bones and muscles strong. So you can choose for question number C, energy giving food.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Pushpa. Yes, Pushpa, your voice is not audible to me. Anything you can write for question number 2, anything you can write. Any two bodybuilding food we get from plants and food we get from animal. Any two food you can write. Okay. And for, I cannot hear you. We need food to live and grow. Always wash your hand. As you are facing problem, I'm solving this. Just look at my screen. Always wash your hand before and after eating food. And in for question number C, this one will be answer. Energy giving food make our bone and muscle strong. And for question number 2, I'm not writing the answer because any two food you can write. Any two food that we get from plants and any two food that we get from animal you can write as per your choice. Okay. But for question number 3, let me tell you, this is cheese or butter, anything you can write. Cheese or butter. Cheese or butter. Anything you can write. And cheese or butter. This one. Cheese or butter, anything you can write. This is fish. This is kidney beans. And this is peas. So write the name and circle those food which we get from plant.
We can only write them.
Just follow the instruction, Pushpak. I cannot hear you. So this is cheese, fish, kidney beans and peas. Write the name and circle those food which we get from plants and tick the food we get from animal. So cheese or butter we get from animal, fish itself is animal, but kidney beans we get from plants and peas we get from plants. Do as per instruction. This is cheese, fish, kidney beans, and peas. So drop your hand, all of you. Let me take the attendance. Drop your hand, everyone. Drop your hand. Rishit completed. Aditya, yes, say.
ম্যাম ম্যাম এই মিটটা তো ঠিক হবে, মিটটা আমরা অ্যানিমাল থেকে পাই।
Which is meat? This is not meat. These are kidney beans. These are kidney beans. This is not meat.
ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay. Student, if you have completed, drop your hand and show me your copy. Completed, Debbie. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, but I cannot see the downs animals or plants food. I cannot see.
No, no. These are no. This worksheet up to here. Okay, up to here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Very good, Rishabh. Tamanna, I will request to all of you just close your copy near to the camera so that I can check it properly. Close near to the camera. Okay, Tamanna. Rishit. Devotam, don't worry. Take your time. 10 minutes you are having as you join late. So don't worry. Okay, Devi. Alvi. Rishit. Okay. Very good. Devi completed. Okay. Very good. ঋদ্ধিমা অঙ্কন পাত্র আচ্ছা ভেরি গুড ওকে Saptarshi completed very good Saptarshi has also drawn the picture write the name also first one cheese or butter cheese you better to write fish kidney beans and peas kidney beans also known as rajma Ankush Kuchait. Okay, very good. Jisham Ali, do the classwork. Pushpa completed. Okay. Student, if you have completed, show me your copy. Rishabh, Ponik, Sanvi, Anuswa, show me your copy one by one. প্রণবী, okay, very good. অভিজ্ঞান সরকার, রিয়াজ, কর্ণিক মাঝি, কুশল ভৌমিক, জিশাম আলী, অদ্বিতীয়া, okay, very good. দেবোত্তম completed. Alvi, Lamia, Lamia, I cannot see you. Okay, now show me your copy. Okay, Rishabh. Okay, very good, Alvi. আচ্ছা, সুহানা, সুহানা, আরাত্রিকা পাত্র, শ্রেয়ম, okay, তামান্না, already check, রিদ্ধিমা দাস, okay, ঈশান and অনুভব, okay, অঙ্কন পাত্র, already check your copy, okay, অনুভব, kidney beans, yes, very good. আচ্ছা, সানভি, সুপ্রীত, তর্ষিত, আলবিরা, show me your copy. দেবী, okay, good. আচ্ছা, তর্ষিত, good. আচ্ছা, where is দেবোত্তম? দেবোত্তম, okay, Lamia, very good. সোলাঙ্কি, okay, দেবোত্তম, very good. Is it completed? Okay, so can I stop sharing? I hope it is completed by all. Jisham Ali, sit down. Sit down. Okay, so completed by all? Okay, good.